Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video, I'm going to be taking a closer look at the best Divers Jon Line. So a Jon Line is basically a way to allow for more space on a shot line when you're doing a safety stop on your way back up to the surface. If everybody needs to be at the same depth, everyone's trying to get to 5 meters, but it's getting a bit too crowded, what you can do is attach the Jon Line onto that shot line, attach the other end to yourself. If there's a strong current and you can't just hover in place, then at least this leaves you attached onto the line, but it gives you enough space to kind of get away from the crowd so that more people can decompress all at the same depth. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so this is how it arrives. It was just cable tied to a sort of cardboard backer, and then you get the Jon Line itself, nothing else, nothing sort of extra. So starting at the bottom, so we have this brass single end bolt snap with a pretty nice action on it, so nice and smooth. Clip that off onto a D-ring so it's nice and secure, and then that's attached by webbing on the inside, which is then stitched to the actual internal webbing, so it is really strong and secure. All the way around the pouch you have this sort of plastic reinforced mesh, so it's not filling up with water, it's draining out really quickly. The rest of it is this sort of nylon cordura. Velcro pouch at the top, and then on the inside you've got it's just shy of 2 meters. It's about 180 centimeters in total, sort of end to end, including the pouch and the bolt snap. It's just shy of 2 meters in total length. So pulling it out, and you have this nylon webbing which is about 1 inch wide, strong and secure. At the far ends you have this clip. So this is how you attach onto the line. If it's strong currents, you want to sort of back off from that shot line but stay attached. You don't want to sort of swim for that entire safety stop. You just find the shot line. This is pretty small for a shot line, but it'll sort of prove a point. So you just hook over it, and then as you pull, it kind of finds its natural place on that sort of clip, and then it stays in position. So you just kind of back off, let the current kind of do its thing, and then you can sort of just sit at the end of that tether, just holding at that depth while still attached onto that line. When you're ready to disconnect, you've got this big loop, just kind of sling a finger through that just to give yourself some extra purchase, and then push it and it comes straight off. So strong and secure, really quick and easy. About 80 centimeters from the tip of that hook, there is another loop. So if you wanted, you could clip off onto this one just to stay a little bit closer to the line, or you could use the entire thing. That's completely up to you. But otherwise, yeah, pretty well constructed. The stitching is pretty good on this. The material, that webbing, feels really strong and secure. The metal on this is strong stainless steel. You've got a bit of flex in that hook, but you want that to be able to sort of hook over the line and then disconnect from it later. But otherwise, yeah, it does look sort of strong and secure. Okay, so that's the best Divers Jon Line, a really handy way to attach yourself onto a shot line, still doing your safety stops, but if it's in strong current and there isn't enough space on the line, you can still keep yourself attached. Now, take a note that this is not a reef hook. It's not for that style of diving. This is more for attaching onto a rope line instead of attaching onto the substrate. That's a completely separate thing, but there's going to be more information about this product on our website, simplyscuba.com. Just click on the link down in the description below. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.